All right. Caught along here as we had an S&T with the Dow Jones. We're also getting a bearish S&T on Nasdaq and ES. A little too afraid to take that just because it's not into the area. I mean, Nasdaq's been stronger, and that's not the S&T that I like to see. But anyways, Russell, I had to really zoom in and catch along here. Did not get a good entry there. Just a bad fill. And then got a decent one here, and then we started this place higher, and then retraced, and I bought that perfectly. So definitely could come back down again. Maybe I'll get back in again, and then ride this higher. I think this definitely cracks higher. I think we're gonna hit that 1 hour fair value gap at least into here, and then I'll have a runner left at the highs. YM is really dumping right now. Once we see that, get a bounce here. I think it's gonna bounce here to the 4 hour fair value gap. Um, so that should hopefully help a rotation into Russell even more. But my puts just went really negative, really positive, so that's pretty bearish into that area where we have the S&T. Nasdaq's breaking high here, whereas ES is not. So I could try to get in short there, but normally I don't like to short the Nasdaq S&Ts just because I want to see ES give me the S&T. Just because I know we had a really strong bounce here, and this could go higher. So I look for ES for confirmation, and I don't want ES to be weaker, ideally. Yeah, so far so good. This is somewhat of a balanced price range down here, so I totally could come back down here. I might even tag it in order if it does. This could be all day long, so I'm gonna let it breathe with a bigger target. Obviously, we just manufactured these highs, making me think we're gonna hit at least up into here, and then yeah, I do have a target up into there because that's the a little bit higher time frame swing, relatively highs there. So, and then that next one will be here too. So I'm gonna let that run, and hopefully it pays out pretty good. But yeah, we're up 3R right now. It's just entries are bad, so but I'm pretty confident we're gonna head in here since YM is into an area where we're likely to bounce. I'm gonna zoom in here on ES and YMs or ES and Nasdaq, see if we can get a clear short. ES is pretty far away, but ES does have some time frame relative equal highs, just a bit higher, and it wouldn't be S&T. So we want to see a really small time frame S&T if we sweat that. So far looking good. I really think Russell could really go here, so I'm pretty excited about that. But never want to get greedy. This is a really strong bounce price range for me, so we could take these out and then literally retrace all the way back down into this range and then bounce. So definitely gonna take these off at 3R and then call it there and then have that runner left for the bigger move if we get it. We have news just now. We just had news. It was an orange shoulder. Yeah, it's looking good so far. We want to see ES manipulate higher though, and then that's not happening though. Yeah, but ES just created very clean relative equal highs. So I think there may be a possibility for that really small time frame S&T to give us a short as Nasdaq hits something and then starts to really sell, and then ES has that one more hit to the high to give us the Nasdaq short or the ES short, whichever one. So yeah, this is what we want to see here. So this is telling us that we're definitely gonna go higher if we're consolidating right below the high, right as there was a wick there. So I think that's just gonna rip really quickly once we break this high. So let's get it. So far nothing clear on Nasdaq and ES though, just fine. Just gonna wait. All right, so we just took out the high. Probably take out that liquidity, come down, and then hopefully we spool really quickly up into there. There we go. I'm gonna move this just because I should have it at the 1 hour fair value gap with the other one. That's the most likely area for me. Especially there's no reason to get out here yet. I might even take off most of it into there too, just because I don't want the runner to be a full third of my size. Don't want to hold the whole third all the way. Well, we'll see. I'm gonna get this first target out of the way. So really high likelihood we probably reject here for a minute, so I might even just take all it off, just to call it a day. But the way that this is forming here, I think it's really high probability to probably come down, hold this mitigation, and then continue rallying. So I think it is still a decent hold. So all right, nothing here still on ES and Nasdaq, just waiting to see. Yeah, taking out the high, so there is a reason to get out of some. Mine is still kind of forming on bottoming type look. I expect crypto to move this, but maybe it's just delayed. All right, come on, main.
Order filled. Order cancelled. Order working. Order cancelled. Order working.
Just gonna make sure. Yeah, I should probably take off some more here. All right, what's happening here on the indices? So working out this area, Nasdaq and ES. There were some candle body. Here are some on a higher time frame. So there were some candle body relative equal highs and a wick there. So you can see why we do get a little bit of rejection here. Um, yeah. Yeah, YM's definitely catching some sort of bottom. Hopefully, we got relative equal lows on it, so one more sweep of the low and then up. Hopefully, ES and YM are giving a bit of a rejection here. Very, very bearish flows. So that could be the move about to occur. But just not the setup that I ideally want. So I'm just gonna be patient with it and let it set up. Anything else? Nasdaq and ES are really coming down now. Well, Nasdaq is. So this could be the reversal there happening. We had an S&T there at the highs with Nasdaq coming higher. So one thing that could be happening is just a short-term sell-off, and then maybe we do end up getting a trade maybe later today or tomorrow or something. But yeah, this is definitely it is an SFT. It's just not the one that I would look for. Let's see if anything here is, that looks pretty. Yeah, Nasdaq really coming down. And it's rejecting the same high. This candle closes just in a minute here, a second here. Alright, really big, strong move down there.
Order filled.
Out there.
Order cancelled.
I don't want to hold all this too much.
Order cancelled.
Getting a little anxious holding all that, so I'm just gonna let it take off from there. I do think this could really hit higher than look at this, but you never know how long it'll take if it pulls back. And just want to get my money out and run. That looks pretty good. Looks like we should get that last little push there. And then yeah, we'll leave those little 2 contracts left for a huge, bigger move. So yeah, we took profits pretty good. Not too bad. Can move this up to the exact level right there. 0.6, we'll see that 0.5. Get off for sure. Alright, we got a bounce here on Nasdaq and ES. Makes sense. Flow is just super bearish though. Maybe a short still could set up here. Yeah, ES is being really strong now. So maybe as Russell enters this area here, if ES and Nasdaq, if ES takes out those highs right when that's happening, then I'm probably just gonna get all the way out, just because I don't want to hold a runner when everything is lining up for a reversal. Come on, get me, man. Gave him a tick away. Did Russell hit it? The full minis did not hit it. Okay, good. I was like, man, that sucks if it's diverging like that. Let me just double check here. Ah, perfect.
Order filled. Order filled.
Whoa, what the? Weird. We only filled part of my order? Well, cool, now I got 3 left for my runner,
Order cancelled.
which is just fine.
Order working. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order working.
Let me double check. Cool, nothing signaling for me yet on the others to get out yet. We gotta stop in a crazy spot. Yeah, we are getting a 1 hour FEB, yep. And we just touched it. Just touched it. That's why we only probably got 1 more hit in there. Because technically we didn't tag it. Technically we just faded that just barely. gonna split these up.
Order working. Order cancelled. Order working.
All right, now we're officially in the 1 hour fair value gap. So yeah, YM had a nice little, or pretty big actually, manipulation of those lows, relative lows, and doing a nice bounce here. It's rebalancing almost the entire move down. So that was a very obvious manipulation there. And then now it's coming. So I think there is room for this to really go higher. Yeah. But it's almost like longs are the play on ES and NASDAQ. Setting an alert here on ES. Yeah, I've already locked in about 3. Well, yeah, 3R there. Hopefully we get this little partial and rest it off. We are in that 1 hour fair value after taking out a lot of liquidity. So could be smart just to exit the full thing too. Let's check the flow. Maybe we can get something in there. Flow is very bullish. Puts are holding on the lows, but no volume at all. No signal on the flow to sell at all. So gonna keep riding that. NASDAQ coming way lower than ES. ES has already bounced up into here. So yeah, looking good. Looking good. Once ES gives a really clear reason to reject, that will be the signal for sure getting out of this. I'm gonna put this on top of those candle bodies over there. These. NASDAQ bouncing a little bit. Did create bullish S&T now. NASDAQ breaking a low. So maybe we might finally get the move up here and eat the ES. Maybe finishing off this move hopefully. YM isn't looking too hot. It looks like it could reject here again. Just because it never took out those internal range lows and it made relatively lows still and it bounced where it created them. So I still think it could head lower and take those out again, which would probably be where this could reject. Yeah, right now nothing super clear to get all the way out, other than just pretty nice profit. And this isn't even that crazy of a move. I mean, we're only up 0.3% on the day, Russell 2000. So hopefully this respects this order block and we continue higher, coming back, maybe down back into here. All right, seems like we're kind of slowing down here. I'll probably also take this all off if it doesn't do what it needs to do before lunch. NASDAQ come back down now after a little bounce. Flow is just really bearish still on SPY. Haven't really checked. Oh, looks like they just took off a lot of calls.
Order cancelled.
Cool. I'm happy with everything. Almost 4R. Compared to the risk though, it was like 6R. It was really big. I only risked like $200 on that. That's pretty good. Nice. So nicely up. Almost 4R on my regular measurement, and a short could still set up here, but there's no catalyst for me anymore. So I'm just gonna call it here and come back after lunch most likely. Yeah, this is a really good trade. Gonna take some screenshots and mark this up. So yeah, adios.